Have you ever noticed that reading the small print on a menu or the label on a bottle feels a little more like a challenge than it used to? Maybe your eyes tire faster, or you catch yourself squinting more than you'd like. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. As we age, our vision naturally begins to change, and it can feel frustrating to realize that things you once took for granted, like crisp, clear eyesight, aren't quite as sharp anymore. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to help support your vision while you sleep? And it starts with something you might already have in your kitchen. That's right. Your morning cup of coffee could become your secret weapon for keeping your eyes healthy and even improving your vision over time. Coffee has always been that comforting ritual, the aroma that wakes us up and sets the tone for the day. But recent research suggests that when paired with specific natural ingredients, it can do more than just perk you up. It can support your eyesight in ways that might seem almost magical. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your body is quietly working overnight to protect and nourish your eyes, all while you've been resting. The key ingredients. The main ingredients you can add to your coffee for eye health are lutein powder, a powerful antioxidant that accumulates in the retina, helping protect your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Zeaxanthin powder works alongside lutein to filter harmful light and support retinal health. Astaxanthin, optional, another natural antioxidant that can reduce eye fatigue and improve visual clarity over time. Where to find them? These powders are widely available in health food stores, online marketplaces like Amazon, and specialty vitamin or supplement stores. Look for high-quality, pure powders from reputable brands to ensure effectiveness. How to use them. Start with your regular cup of coffee in the morning. Add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of lutein and zeaxanthin powder, or a combined eye support blend, to your coffee. Stir well until fully dissolved. Sip slowly, enjoying the warmth and comfort of your routine. Tip: using warm coffee helps these compounds become more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them more efficiently. Over time, this consistent habit works quietly in the background, supporting your eyes while you go about your day, and even as you sleep. Complementary habits for maximum results. Adding antioxidants to your coffee is just one piece of the puzzle. Pair this habit with proper hydration. Drink enough water throughout the day to maintain natural moisture in your eyes. Anti-inflammatory diet. Include leafy greens, spinach, kale, colorful vegetables, carrots, peppers, and fatty fish, salmon, sardines. Gentle exercise, walking, stretching, and eye exercises improve circulation to the eyes. Screen management. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Stress reduction. Practice mindfulness, breathing exercises, or quiet coffee moments to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Quality sleep. Ensure deep, restorative sleep to allow your eyes to repair overnight. A friend of mine, Margaret, turned 65 last year. She started noticing that reading her favorite novels had become a strain. She added a small amount of lutein and zeaxanthin powder to her morning coffee, drank plenty of water, did light exercise, and followed mindful screen breaks. Within weeks, her vision felt clearer, glare was less bothersome, and she didn't need to squint as much. Over months, she regained confidence and independence in her daily activities. Another example is Harold, a 68-year-old retired teacher. He combined eye-supporting powders with hydration, walking, and gentle eye exercises, and noticed a remarkable improvement in visual clarity and reduced strain over time. Vision health is cumulative. Small, consistent actions like adding lutein and zeaxanthin powder to your coffee, staying hydrated, eating eye-supportive foods, exercising gently, protecting your eyes from excessive light, and sleeping well can maintain and even restore eyesight over time. It's simple, natural, and accessible. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you're not just protecting your vision, you're enhancing your overall quality of life. Clearer eyesight means more independence, more confidence, and a greater ability to enjoy everyday experiences. From reading your favorite books to seeing the faces of loved ones clearly. So, take action today. Add a pinch of lutein and zeaxanthin powder to your morning coffee. Stay hydrated, protect your eyes, and move gently. Over time, these small habits accumulate into significant improvements in clarity, comfort, and confidence. Here's to seeing the world more clearly and living your best life at any age. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.